scissors, shoot. Rock. Rock, paper, scissors. Scissors, cut paper. Stop! Who are you?
I'm the master of the rock.
Well, I got paper.
Well, I've got sword.
There's no sword in this game.
That is where you are mistaken. I'm here to tell you the story of rock, sword, and Firecracker. If you wish to hear the story, say yes, master.
Yes, master.
Now say pretty please.
Yes, pretty please.
Now say pretty please with a cherry on top.
Come on.
Fine, I will tell you the story. It all began with the rock.
You mean the wrestler?
No, the rock was a big, fat, lazy slob. He was immovable. He was a champion sumo wrestler. Because no one could move him, he won every match. He sent a challenge to all warriors, saying he could not be defeated. Ninjas came from all over, but not even a sword could pierce his rock-like skin. Then a magician from a distant land came with a mighty weapon, a firecracker. No one had ever seen one before. The magician battled the rock. He lit the fuse and placed it at the rock's feet. The rock didn't care. He did not think he could be defeated. There was a huge explosion. When the smoke cleared, the rock had fallen. No one could believe their eyes. A few began to cry. The magician laughed and pulled out another firecracker. He yelled, "I shall rid this land of the rock forever." He placed the firecracker next to the rock and lit it. But then a young boy who loved rocks snatched up a sword and swish cut the fuse, saving the rock from destruction.
Amazing. Great story.
Do not ruin the game with scissors and paper.
Yes, master. We will, master. Ready? Let's play. Rock, sword, firecracker.
Sword cuts your fuse.
That is more fun.
Rock, sword, firecracker.
Firecracker blows up the rock.